We'll be sailing on the Pioneer. On a lucky day, we get to trawl. We'll be catching animals from New York Harbor. So think, where do most of the animals live in the harbor? They live on the bottom. Trawl is a net that drags along the bottom to catch fish. It's actually made from a single piece of string, a single piece of line, all tied together in these quadrilateral patterns that makes them really flexible. So here's the skinny end. This is the end where all the fish are going to get caught. When we bring the net up on board, this, we hope, will be all full of fish and crabs and things. So I tie a line here, I tie a cod end knot, and this is attached to a buoy. The idea is that the net's at the bottom of the water, the buoy will float up to the surface, so we can always see where the end of the net is. And if the net gets in trouble, we can always haul it up by the buoy end and save our net and catch what, and we might have to release whatever's in it, but we don't lose the net. But usually, we don't pull it from this end. This is the back end of the net. All along the bottom of the mouth of the net is chain. This chain's going to drag on the bottom. It's going to bring the net down so we can catch the critters that are on the bottom of the harbor. But the net has to be open. We've got to make sure the top of the net is reaching up. So the top part of the net has a series of floats. As we go through the water, the floats go up, the chains go down. That's going to make the mouth big and open so we can catch lots of organisms. The net also has to be open on the sides. So we have these boards, they're called doors. And here too you can see there's metal at the bottom. So it pulls up this way. And it pulls out like you're flying a kite. This door pulls out onto this side. And this door pulls out onto this side. So you can see that the mouth of the net is quite open, pulling on the sides, dragging on the bottom, lifting up to catch things. Ready on the net? Ready on the net? Ready on the chains?
Send the buoy.
Send the net?
Send the net.
Send the chains?
Send the chains.
Send the boats?
Yep. And out the door. And send the inner door. Inner door.
How much do you want to let out?
So we're going to let all that line out, and guess how it's getting back on? That would be you. So keep the line. Back up. Oh, it's tucked under their bodies. And take a look at that tail underneath. Is it shaped like the...
But she keeps backing up.
Yeah, why is she backing up?
Because her pincers are in the front, not in the back.
So she's like, what's that?
But see how this one's not flat?
So I'm guessing one looks on the floor and one sits on the
Yeah, the blackfish swims around. The sea robin pretty much sits on the floor.